왜들 그리 다운돼 있어 뭐가 문제야 say something 분위기가 겁나 싸해 요샌 이런 게 유행인가 왜들 그리 재미없어 아 그건 나도 마찬가지 Tell me what I got to do
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you like this look, then just keep on watching this primer. And I'm going to compare it to the hard formula. So I'll just do half on each face and kind of see how this goes. And use my fingers to spread it out. For sure it's much easier to spread than the solid formula. The solid formula I'll use on the other side of my face. I do think that the solid one is going to be better for people with oilier skin or with really big pores so that you could really kind of like press it into those areas. So today I'm using mostly Korean products except for that primer. So for some reason I decided to stop talking. So here I am. I'm gonna just blend the concealer under my eyes with my finger and use Etude Double Lasting. This is supposedly a dupe for the Estee Lauder. It's really liquidy, but I feel like it's a little bit thicker than the Estee Lauder, but super high coverage, gives a wonderful velvety finish. In with my brush and then also my sponge. This is the Holika hardcover concealer. Very similar to the NARS, but really good coverage. Just the shade range is bad, as per usual for a lot of Korean products. The Peri Peri V Shading Contour in Almond Brown, a really light, but I really like that because it gives a super natural finish. And I use it to just shade my hairline and the perimeter of my face so that I don't look so flat. And I use the other side of my brush to contour my nose and the sides of my nose, as well as my upper lip and the bottom lip to kind of give it a little bit of a more poutier effect. Just sweep some across the eyes. I'm going to draw in my eyebrows with the Lancome eyebrow gel, and I'm going for kind of like a lifted straight brow. And just brush them out. And my Too Faced Sweet Peach eyeshadow palette. I really like this palette. It smells so good. Just take a light shade and sweep it over the eyes, and using a caramel medium brown color, just line the lash line just so that it looks a little bit more shaded. And I'm going to do the same on the other eye. And make sure to get the triangle zone as well as under the eyes. So whatever you do on the top, you should try to mimic the same thing on the bottom. I'm going to add a little bit of a coral shade and then also do the same on the bottom. And with the darker shade, that's a really deep brown, I'm going to line my eyes, kind of like what I would do with an eyeliner. And now I'm going in with a liquid eyeliner from M Cosmetics I'm super loving lately. And I'm just going in between my lashes and not quite my waterline, but to just make sure it looks really full. Curl my eyelashes with Surat and do some mascara. This mascara is really good because it just never seems to dry out, so I can use it for a really long time. And I felt like I needed a little bit more definition, so I'm taking like a dark, dirty peach shade and kind of softening up the eyeliner and adding some shading on the ends to make it look deeper. I'm just gonna highlight the center of my eyes. And this is such a unique blush. I don't have anything like this in my collection. It's from Peach Sea. It's a really light peachy color, but when it goes on your skin, it's just really brightening. And definitely I'm putting it all over my cheeks, especially on my nose. I'm just loving nose blush these days. I'm gonna brush my brows with Glossier Boy Brow. This is the MAC lipstick from Lamuqe, and it's a really dirty MLBB My Lips But Better coral shade, but it is brightening. So I feel like this could suit a lot of skin tones, and I'm really liking this shade for the spring. I think it's so pretty. yeah, just line the lips with a brush. And I felt like I needed to connect my eyeshadow with my blush a little bit, so I'm just sweeping my face, giving a final sweep, and that's the end of my makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this Clementine look. If you did, and if it helped you during your quarantine, please give it a like and subscribe. Thanks!